Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your PayPal business account for payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your PayPal business account for payouts, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings section. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Next, look for the Business Information tab. In this tab, you will see options for verifying your business information. Click on the option that says Update next to Business Information. You may need to provide additional documentation such as a business license or tax ID. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. After submitting your documents, you will receive a confirmation that your submission is being reviewed. This review process can take up to a few days, so be patient. While waiting, ensure your email address is confirmed, as PayPal will use it for communications. To confirm your email, check for a verification email from PayPal in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once your email is verified, return to the PayPal dashboard. From there, navigate to the account settings again. This time, look for the Notifications section. Ensure your notification settings are properly configured to receive updates about your account verification status. While you are waiting for approval, consider linking a bank account if you haven't already. Go to the Wallet section and click Link a Bank Account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank information. Once your PayPal business account is fully authenticated, you will receive a notification. Check back in your account after a few days to confirm everything is in order. Once authenticated, you can start processing payouts without any restrictions. Make sure to regularly review your account for any additional verification requests in the future. This will help ensure smooth transactions for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.